QuickBooks Payments lets you accept credit card payments on invoices and sales receipts. QuickBooks processes the payment and records the transaction for you all at once. You can take payments directly from customers on your computer manually. You can also include payment options on invoices so your customers can pay you faster. Your first payment you take will show up in your bank within 5 days. After that, you should see payments deposit much faster. Here's how to set up payments in QuickBooks Online. Go to the gear icon. Select Account and Settings. In the Payments section, select Learn More. If you have a merchant account with Intuit and want to connect it, you can do that here. Next, select Set up Payments to sign up. Next, enter info about your business. The owner, and connect your bank. Once you're finished, select Activate Payments. You'll get an email from QuickBooks letting you know when you're approved. It usually happens within a couple days. That's it. Now you are ready to set up QuickBooks Payments and start getting paid faster.